In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar feature in Monday.com. If you're looking to keep track of progress efficiently, this tutorial is just what you need. So let's dive right in and see how we can set up and customize a progress bar on your board. First things first, we're going to add a new column to your board, which will display the progress of your tasks. To get started, head over to the right side of your board where you'll find the existing columns. You'll notice a small plus icon next to the last column. Give that a click, and this will open up a search bar. In the search bar, type in Progress Tracking. After typing that in, you'll see an option for a Progress Tracking column pop up. Select it, and just like that, a new column featuring a progress bar is added to each row of your board. It's a quick and simple way to visually represent how far along you are with each task. However, merely adding a progress bar might not be enough if it doesn't reflect the details you want. The next step is to make sure this progress bar is set up exactly as you need it. To do this, hover your mouse over the header of the progress tracking column until you see a three-dot icon appear. Click on this icon to bring up a menu. In the menu that appears, you'll find a Settings option. Click on that, and then proceed to Customize Progress Tracking. This is where you can really tailor the progress bar to your requirements. Here, you'll see a list of all the columns on your board. To ensure you're only tracking what you need, start by unchecking any columns that you don't want to include in your progress calculation. For the columns that you do want to track, you can set specific percentages for each. This means you can dictate how much weight each column holds in determining the overall progress of a task. For instance, if one particular aspect of a task is more crucial to completion, you might assign it a higher percentage. Once you've customized which columns contribute to the progress and set the appropriate percentages, you simply hit Save. And there you have it. Your progress bar is now not only visually appealing, but also tailor-made to provide the most accurate reflection of your task progress. Whether it's for project management, task tracking, or monitoring team performance, this feature can significantly enhance the way you visualize workflows in Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now ready to use progress bars to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.